Meaning of failing.
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 Failing. Failing refers to the act of not achieving a desired outcome, goal, or standard. It denotes a lack of success, competence, or effectiveness in a particular task or endeavor. The result of failing can range from minor setbacks to significant consequences, including lost opportunities, decreased confidence, and negative feedback from others. Failing is a natural and inevitable part of life, and it can provide valuable lessons and opportunities for growth and improvement. However, it can also be a source of disappointment, stress, and frustration, especially when it occurs repeatedly or in important areas of life.